Hey, what's going on, guys? Real quick, just mentioned that we could see that GBP pushed to 1240. Just caught that move from 1220 to 1240. Very good. Anyway, so let's go over this real quick. I'll make this quick. All right, so basically on this Euro USD, I'm going to save a lot of the hefty analysis for the Monday market breakdown. But if we're talking about day trading right now, we're stuck in this range. This looks really ugly. Let me pull out on the 4-hour. You'll see why we're here. Okay, this is a major level on the weekly and on the daily. Okay, so right now we're just sitting down here at these lows, and again, we could potentially hold this level. And then to pull back over, where we're at right now is a fall off on the 4-hour, right, to the downside. We retrace back up to the 50, push back down to that 23.6. And now basically, if we can maintain this level, we will see a push back up into the middle of this consolidation, potentially back up into that 38.2. Now that I don't know how soon that may happen, but we may be able to catch some pressure back up into that level during our session this morning, right? So pulling back over into the 30-minute, you'll notice that we are still stuck in somewhat of a smaller channel within that channel of consolidation, and I mean that by being here in this level. If we can break out of this level here, from the highs at $1.1050 to these lows here at $1.1014, we'll see ourselves push back up into these highs. There's a little bit of a zone here, high 10s, low 1s, low 11s, right? So right now what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a breakout from not from 1040 to 1050. If I see it come to 1050, which I'm presuming it will come to 1050, okay, what I would then like to see is a retracement and then a break back up into the 1080s, 1090s. There's a lot of reasons why. One reason is I don't want my risk to be this entire structure here, right? If I don't ever get that retracement, if this market just zooms all the way up into this level and then breaks out, well, then that means my stops have to go below structure there, right? But I drew this line here because if I could push up into the 1050s, we rest and then we can break, well, that means that I could use that rest as my stop loss, and I can use this break as my entry, which will give me a better risk profile to push back up into these levels there. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for in the Euro. I'll make another video for the Aussie.